Product name, Neewer TT560 Flash Speedlite for Canon, Sony, Nikon, Panasonic, Olympus, Pentax, and other DSLR cameras. Digital camera Speedlite with standard hot shoe. The Neewer Speedlite is a camera flash that is compatible with Canon, Sony, Nikon, Panasonic, Olympus, Pentax, and other DSLR cameras with a standard hot shoe. The flash has a guide number of 38 and supports manual and S1/S2 optical control. It has a vertical rotation angle of 0-90 degrees and a horizontal rotation angle of 0-70 degrees. The flash unit has 8 steps of power output control, which are indicated by 8 pieces of LED. The flash unit is powered by 4 AA batteries. Pros: good value for money. Easy to use. Provides ample light coverage. Powerful flash speedlight that provides clear and vivid images. Cons: mounting base may come off during heavy use. In conclusion, the Neewer Speedlite is a great option for those who want a reliable and affordable camera flash. It is easy to use, provides ample light coverage, and produces clear and vivid images. However, the mounting base may come off during heavy use. The product is available on Amazon from $55.99. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.